Central Sports Arena e wo Crystal TV sanso ana YouTube ye live enso e on digital TV no channel 514 and so ye live and then Friday enti igwafida yensero nti sa ene ti no do Friday so a efuto bi ani ho chese chikakra e fa hye wo ha enti edu fiada efuto bi ani bia a utie utu boys no fo ana youth no fo a opianu a obeti ti ene Friday yi ene so yenwom kremufo na ne ana omo kobo mpaye nti edu Friday say na ye edini ye Juma Mubarak ana iti sa eletie enti enwo na eba sa na wodi omo enchena mo assalamu alaikum no matter so wa alaikum salam enwo enti sa eletie enti enwo ye bedi nkomo edafa afie ene amana ne nsam ball football enso enkomo na sports enti ye bawura the world of tennis na ye bawura football ma bawura transfers limiti sa eletie weekend so no FIFA Club World Cup final no eba so ene ye di hu komo nyame amochina anye ma eti ye madada enti sa na tie free samre kwapim se eye dumienu babo agudie mu nsem ane ye de eba na efisem no gamanche wo cup no eno so eba so how to folk enso anything by ana ebo ye no nsem eki eba na ene Black Queens of Ghana e mani jina kono mu ni mali ana ebo yebedi nkoma Fred game no mu lusi ye eno mu ni mali ebo go no ana match ni be ko sen coach no enso akasa ket years okreku GFA president ono so akasa enti ensem de doso na line kinsi enso akasa for Kudus ni move to Tottenham wedi nkoma dia fam yebedi nkoma bebre enso ewo fia ha na Kudus ni eye ananso tomu ye no na eye Stoneboy no ana dechi ne skasan ana Stoneboy omutuade mana eye omuyusu enwom no enso ede ye no nsam ede ba yebetu skani di na ya namik ebe convert skani ya mame etu o be convert na ye muska no dodo eye dollars o enya se betu bu ba enti wen afoforo ni bi na ya ka bo ma ye de enso ede ebremo enso ewa ha enti no me dia no kwanza fa ne namik ewa ha immunity dwade no enso ewon ye beta fitafi samo kama enso ewa ha ye cameraman ewo fia ha the on duties eye Francis and Michael na MCR ho eye Obapa Benes ewrama ana tinechiri enso ewechi kama enso ewo producers no Richard Asujwa enso ewo ana ediba na eye Asoroba Kofi Suman ene eye Mr. Umar bin Abdallah yan shi speed recovery aya no kakra mu de yesi badwi no ebom no ha wono no ma wonya ha ti sa ana etie nti yam shi speed recovery na me amma de de wo bete nka ensu ewu fia ti sa ana etie mi twa mo sema me ba me de ensem na go edama no. Samo bibi akwa be memfa ba Central Sports Arena o Crystal TV Facebook no oba ko se gosinin nebo Coastal TV Cape Coast like ne share ne jaw comment enso afagu e kan kama enso e dia mo me sha se de some e dia bramo dia ya ba sha se e free e manu euros na mo bono enso e ho na se ana ekoye ye enro Finland enso en Switzerland game no aye 1-1 so ana Norway echi eye Iceland e bona kan me nan e ma ni timu miensa na ene 2 game ana eto just 7 p.m. no eye Italy and Spain ana ebo so ana Portugal and Belgium and so ebo na Saturday no eye Poland and Denmark and so bisia kan ansa na Sweden and so and Germany and so about Sunday no English England for no and so any Wales ebo ana Netherlands bobo no and at Netherlands no and France and so ebo eye dey one seven and they amamo na yanko ye nim for semribi and from bramodia uko a man football ma banese fa ababa ya no to soma me Liverpool abranche ana Liverpool ababa ya Arsenal for no and so ako break record no and so ekofa no na girl no ye phone Olivia Smith ono na that TV so no na ono ana Arsenal for no kofa no £1 million into ono ababa a man football no record transfer man football mo no asa ababa na da so no mo fe ono ana ba ye sa record na ye de e won sama enso edi amamo enso ho ma ye de won sama no edi eba na ye ko Vitinha o ye biage mo foda na wakasa kakira o se na me yakuma game mo ni Chelsea ko no game no ye tough enti omo ba rest no ma prepare omo ho enso edi akọ game ye ko na Vitinha ensema okan edi fa game no.
Difficult match for sure. It's a final. They want to win the final as well. It will be tough. But right now we're going to rest. It was a lot of hot in the game. We really need to rest well to face the final the best way possible. And we'll see as well what Chelsea can do. Analyze the opponent to face them the best way possible. It's going to be.
Okay, we and some Vitinha and so every 2 days once a more and so at the one Gunkaro Ramos and a meeting who come on say almost in Comoda for Sunday game or say a Sunday and Chelsea a coach here a Chelsea a PH match the edge in the papa match near top and then easy match and so at the moment and so Chelsea team na omubaye obunoma ye no so enso akohia Chelsea ye de enwasem no enso agi emamo enso omba Facebook abra oba na do oye o message enso agaba na ya kan kama ediama Sunday Chelsea any page wine ana ehye for prediction enso for bra mekan kama enso ediama ye de enwasem no enso ediama ba ne se yakwelim yemfa sembi enso for ma odi Chelsea any PH game na ana yeti ho nkomo unum se na me ma Sunday aye game no eba so no tie record we na for 2 tirim unum se French aye team bia ni ho ma wo Chelsea enso our final game bia wo da enti nyawe na ma Sunday record we ana Chelsea for no enso ali e koma ye de ho asem no enso ali e ba ye hwe se Chelsea beto aso se French league clubs na ana French clubs no entumi enhye aye Chelsea and so our final game rest the Sunday and so ever call and so our my dear once and mammy I shall Felix for not one won't come out also more Portugal na and Johnny Bizan said now one a famous guy and so our a Portugal I say famous guy here oh president of Portugal on and before said that nimbo na womo munim no pa aye Cristiano Ronaldo ana gofo nim Ronaldo enso e de chen aye Portugal omo mampanyini aye se waba kurom ha na yakase e kurom ma na aye popular ma na wagidi na ebimu se ono oshatawalo no nim no aha na aye uko aye ubagana ha obisi onim aye hisasana Dramani mama tisa ana Felix enso e pese o kire enso ono ma e de wansam no e de atu dama me Trent Alexander-Arnold unim se enda enda chi game no wamobi ana ababeto ja se wamobi no eno so de eba ne kire se abante ne bona wamobi ne bonya muscular injury na de another player ba to John say abrante no ekoye test enso e wo Madrid kurom ho no man the extent of the engineer who emra do abrante no enso e be ofie a ye de enho asem no enso agi emamo enso e wo manida so sara be di Real Madrid nkomo na Xavi say nyame na kuma enche obehia Madrid board no na omu so adwendwen club no plans a omu fa ne ye place a omu beko ani omu ba entisa enso ana efiri ho enso eba ye de wansem no ade mama aya Alvaro Carreras fa ne to so mama ne no komo na branche no obo Benfica na before club cabinet se Madrid for no ekoto no nim se Manchester enso e was sell on close bonus ehementi e ma di ni twentwan so delay ya never no aya Benfica for no ka kire Madrid for say omu ntwan omu bo aya club cup ni wia na omu di komoti every year the contract had been signed sealed and delivered 50 million euros ana branche no edi ego pem enso awo aya dream Madrid a oba be ball left back no ekire o enso edi mo man edi wansam no edi to the first stadium na me am Sunday final record so fato so ma me ha edi fe na final game no eye park no agopon no stadium no eye match eye Hansi Flick amamu green light say omu ko fa branch no enso enfa no bra eye wansam no ede to dama me eye Ange Postecoglou ono na me kuta Tottenham team a omu de share Manchester e wo UEFA Europa League in final no masa papa we week no obra papa sa season no ana okwadi Europa de team na nim kama na Nottingham Forest omu ona no ye frano eye papa ne dia de eye Evangelos aha ono wa papa na ba so say ono abaye Greek manager watumi agi UEFA Europa League ti awoso bodia no anso ana na that TV no so a ye de wansem na ba na Nottingham Forest for no ya trust na Nottingham Forest for which is to suma na meaning komo ya this year na me am na Nottingham Forest na me am na season we be ball league no o man velin kama enso e dia ba balance de beto so afa papa na saje sini je wan ara be matom a obeto bi e dia ma me so auto Chelsea ya meje entisa enso ana tie ma me aye Ibrahim Konate fanama bi aye na akura we Liverpool for man aye contract say on stand on sit da na honestly envo mo da na Real Madrid amobebo na Real Madrid for no so si ebo eno yenkwa omuko na Liverpool for no enso dia show team say 50 million euros ene mo mafa ano mo si yai yetua akaye yekokwe ya yentua na kaboza for ye Tampico na better aka 1 year how much more so obedi 50 million there bi ene ye betra ho na the contract awu se ne de amodo no sa amodo be no enso e wono ma ye de o masem no ade mama Morgan gives white na me nim hu komo Morgan gives aha oye enra abenta no ball Edman Nottingham Forest eno no mu wie ye 60 million pounds release cross no omo de akofo no na Mohamed Kudus na me nim hu komo enra ni announcement omo ye no Stonewall no nyom ana na das ye na Stonewall age 350,000 video no e fa wo fa so omu veli no na eye enum no enso edase na oje mic no ono say let na yeti Mohamed Kudus ni on veli no.
I only wanted Spurs. Play the truck.
Yeah, man, I don't know some world champion is ball, you know. That them fin know, you know. Yeah. Who said them a say them are the champion that me never hear? Could lose the Tottenham and him a go mash it up in every game. He got the pattern and style of Baza kick be the name. Get to use from Nima, straight out of Ghana. Rise up the banner, Alhamdulillah. Champion, don't stop on leader, all eyes on you. Champion, champion, champion. All over the world, you a superstar.
I only wanted Spurs. Play the truck.
You might don't know some world champion is born, you know. That them fin know, you know. Yeah. Who said them a say them are the champion that me never hear? Could lose the Tottenham and him a go mash it up in every game. He got the pattern and style of Baza kick be the name. Get to use from Nima, straight out of Ghana. Rise up the banner, Alhamdulillah. Champion, don't stop on leader, all eyes on you. Champion, champion, champion. All over the world, you a superstar.
I only wanted Spurs. Play the truck.
Okay, I know. So what will be now? $350,000, no. You never done a scam. We have to the mom Facebook. Come on, now when I for 10 billion, I said, you every discount you to this house. So why? The boy is carrying up on a guy. Yeah, you can come a but decided to after the announcement, you know, I'm a reasons why or Jitum said Tottenham team, no, and one of them on what you get. Now, it's a moment, Kudus, Starboy, get you.
Wanted to play at the highest level. How big the club is, the history, and in the Champions League as well. So it's a big moment. I'm finally here. I'm very happy and can't wait to start. Most important part of why I come here is the project and how the manager sees I can develop under him, where he's come from, and seeing the amount of talent he's developed to become great players. It's a big sign of why I wanted to work under him as well. I'm a very direct winger, strong, very good in taking players on and creating chances. There's a lot of flair in my game. I like to entertain the fans as well. It's putting a memory in the head of the fans that they have in their head going back home, you know. The fans are really going to enjoy what I'm going to bring to the team. That's what football is about. Moved to Denmark, very big difference in culture. Played there 2 seasons, went to Amsterdam, 2.5 seasons, West Ham, then here. And that's what the journey has been, and using my God-given talent to have an impact on where I'm coming from and change the lives of people and my family as well. It takes a lot of hard work and 24/7 focus to play in a league like this. Every game requires a lot of quality and focus throughout the whole game. So I'm just here using my individual ability to help the team go as far as we can, you know. I'm very team oriented, so my personal goals lies around helping the team get as much as points we can.
Okay, I know and Kudus in some baby and also to Saudi Arabia na Abante Tio Hernandez of AC Milan about play our Hilal na also go to 25 million euros AC Fonaji and so they are so much now okodu also announcement to muya kwan mo fa so announcement na efe pa na abofo ne de masa omuye e ma na ye fe nye video no announcement no gaka.
Al Hilal.
bonjour Al Hilal.
Okay, I know I Tio and that now I announcement to move to Al Hilal no, and so I have to done Arsenal on mobile Facebook and time David Edu and so I Arsenal in Yamina or Glassfund Ventures and so our Peru Africana, yes, Pablo or Arsenal in mobile Arsenal new boy no, Christian Nogat on Saba Drew. Now, Oba what I say, or say, Champions League football. Anna or 18 or by the first time Oba got Champions League football at the age of 31 years. And also Wakasa Kaka, and so Edafa moved to Arsenal or Lindsay and Sama Christian Nogat, and so Ekaya.
His league next season. It's one of them where you can get almost all emotional about because maybe it was a dream that I've given a little bit up on coming towards the later stage in my career, and of course there's always a little chance that a miracle could happen with Brentford, but it was probably unrealistic to play Champions League with them. Now I get to hear the anthem and be a part of a Champions League campaign. It's a childhood dream and something I didn't think would be possible. So obviously something I'm really, really happy about.
Okay, where Christian Nogat was a Champions League football. And our press got it, a man to two about Eliama Arsenal job. So we tasted me, no 31 years and check. I don't know the number one with Jai Bonobo. Now, everyone's on the board, the carrier mono, one more Champions League now on the Brentford. I will free answer by no will not say. And yet, if you ride any matching Odigard more, and so Anna Omo, a convention more, Anna Emma or Bar a year Arsenal. Yet, since I'm a and so a kind of car.
Have you spoken to any of our players since you signed?
Not really, only very briefly with David Reyes, I know from my time at Brentford, and then the captain Martin, who texted me, which was a really nice gesture. And but other than that, I look forward to meet them for the first time very soon.
What did David and Martin have to say about the club?
They both spoke so highly of it. They keep describing this as a welcome to the family feeling, and I think it's really nice when a player like Martin speaks highly of not only the players, not only the coaches, but also the whole staff around the club and the media department. There's just so many people working in this organization, and he spoke very highly of all of them. So I look forward to meet each and every one.
Have you spoken to any of our players?
Okay, where and some Arsenal, when you sign it, Christian Nogat, and so a kind of Arsenal and hey, I said, oh, no, nobody will finally what could do now. Only 50 million for a church policy, a honey higher, you give 52. I don't know about the 2 ever talks in 52 million pounds. Woman, the music I show to now, as a photo, what does you know, baby, that need an answer, say. Na Chelsea bless again. You be more and fat. Unse David Luiz and Swako, and your man Koye, William Ako and fat. Sanso and a branch friend Jogio and Swakobi. A year a branch friend, a year Ryan Stanley Munina and Swako na play or Koya as a fuck crap and so a William Kala on put of gas and about Chelsea Yarawa. A Hantisa and a TNT or my job. Now recently I book I bet. Over the buy over the sheet, King, I don't know now from Mammy. No, but looking for to Mammy, not such a dirty one. I could have fair. Just in for time, 23 years, 30 was your way, you know how, and so I don't go back home until I call you any. And so I hold my dear once alone. And so I did and so I was so. As a vocal to an hour, or negotiating on now, no one work only church for any year in Arsenal for the same and I find out because you're signing them low. Mama no kobo na onko bia na church for the church. No boy permanent konoma to the and find out no glad here. And you nim the besi na me sure say one mo bia no mo dia definitely madam I know be because no okatim no entisa and so an equity Arsenal for no o madwa wo ya be ne dey na no ma do ka be o be starting announce starting Arsenal for no bra Facebook na mo gya mo message and so fan to no ma e mo asem no and so e dey ma mo and so e wo show mo so a me ka be era chem na unim se enra no e ye ma no na so ma do ke na so meyi me ti no komo unim se asat enra before the signing na eye Arsenal supporters no assign signature nipa be 2200 ono say sign we do nyintom ye any atata any eye Andrew Better maja to ya ni aja egumosu bruta akwa ba na mfa do church for there o maji music ati o no o bi bibia ye enso a o no de wan asem no e de atutama me John Terry Chelsea legend no akwara papa we masa etiro o twan wade olimbo the best centre back in the history of English Premier League obi anu ho me na say o pa check we start here defender what show goal our Premier League obi anu ho not even Ferdinand Vidic ene o mo keka o mo ya we company mu nyina enu closer enso a John Terry say e dey have that olimbo papa akra no tumi fo pia no on bona sha no wanya abutia tene baby am no no achebo no wetia so mata wo ba na bonya no fokura na mo sa abia fom enso no say ada no onimobo na bona koda no bono e ba ni trade dia oni interest e wo trade di ope sa se mo mi kama bia ba kabi some years back say ada training o ye lazy wo ko no try share so no ro mo ye training na match ni duru a ono no ye training ono na e decide game na and mum yentie sama John Terry and so I can't ever Eden Hazard.
Person I have would compare you to Hazard. Yeah. So Hazard being all the ability in the world, but would turn up to training and be here, not interested really. You know, we, under Mourinho we were playing West Ham, and it's a tactical day. So for me, I love that side of it. I'm a defender. I love this, and this is how we're going to break him down. And after 10 minutes, Eden's gone. Why are we doing this? Who are we playing tomorrow? Didn't even know who we were playing. We're like West Ham. Who plays for West Ham? Just give me the ball. 1-0.
Okay.
Mourinho took the bib off him. You're not starting. Blah blah. And it was like wow.
Disaster.
But he's like his laces are undone. But for me, being the captain of that side, speaking to the other players, going, we need to work a little bit harder because when he's on it Saturday, we're going to reap the rewards of it. And also, he's not going to run back and come back. So as the left winger or the left back, actually, Cole, you need to work twice as hard, which you do, and you compensate for him because he's that good. So when he gets the ball going forward, he comes alive and he can win you a game. And I compare you and him the same.
Well, now you know why he's the captain. How good is that?
Okay, when and some John Terry, and so I can't afford it. Hazard one, you don't want to know. And the mommy, I had team of the week, semi-final team of the week, you know, Club World Cup, we Uchu Dawre, Usuano, Uya Day, and Yawona was selected. Aha, you were a football people, you know, over a year, and the woman said, just place for my man Casapi, and Yawona, who are doing any Ziomo, and the Usu for adventure, and so for Black Team, a year of the week, you know, Uno Moyan, Uno Moyan, for Odia, and so a Fabre, there was a woman, and that's no Dinaroma, a goalkeeper, and a part for no, say, Anna, at the Akra Akimi, it will be Makinos. Serabo Chaloba, any Mark Ukurara into your own crown, a from keeper and liberty or a 2 against 3, Jaja to Manyavi, Yafana, you know, not in 50, Ubana Fabian Groups, any Enzo Fernandez, but we say not make a church or a cow of the mechanism, and Tizati, and to what Munagra, also forward your blood, and so the Obama, any console boom, any also or boom, I want boom, Fanabra, and so now. Anyone Petro Neto and so ever be Bradley Bacola and so ever be Jean Pedro and Osman Dembele and Tisa and so and so Orma Yadia once and dear Mamma Rima today. Na Enra Unum said, I don't know who yet. Now Umukotiana, I say Lucamodici, Abakawa, Macan can come here. Wako Rum AC Blanc Bobo Colim. Na what we be until I know so about Club Cup Libya, not a call until my baby be Anna Ababatoja, and so actually say a year. My Bantero, a year Jesse, Delma Canano, Omukodu Milano, and our presenting Jesse. Edema, a year after Kula by for that is for video to Smani National Media come on. Now, Okodu or Yi Bagano. I will be a waha, my video new jungle and so now on Tisa and a chance on so Ucho TV no swap. Ubo say under Gula and our Godu and what the chapel to her and we just raw and on the one of the map Gula and on Bang no say Massa, Media May call into your children and so for mamma you didn't want to know. And so at the Ebamo and so now put to the national team no Ubu coach no your fellow. Roberto Martinez ono so kasa for Sunday game no ono ne nya adwene tie ne ye o say game no e be quite interesting game ba na ono so Romeo Lavia ene Moses Caicedo ya finance picture no to so me na o sa brand away na onya Enzo Fernandez kan wo miensa na omuchire finfini ho edema Chelsea na eba be sana eno eba bo mo na game a omo bo against Benfica no ye musa ko form yesa we omo stabilize finfini ho enti wo ko sia Vitinha Fabian Ruiz ene João Neves a edene enti fomu miensa ginam na ebra so na Chelsea ya no ye Romeo Lavia ye hu no cheni in place ni na eba ye omo kwa ye hu no enti Chelsea for no mo uti aya keka mo bompa ma no se ne omre training next no be last training anya sa do enkofo we finfino adu mo de bedi e no Vitinha bi wo mo akoda ni bopo oni bobo too much na ma me what you go the goals for to so na akoda we ni ham Real Madrid club world cup omo 6 matches me boa na 6 matches no 90 minutes times plus 4 plus 6 calculate mame na minute no do na 90 minutes plus 4 no mako 6 na ukaboma obo mu 35 na Francis Richana kachere me na minu hu komo na we de ehu na emu 35 minutes no boy 6 matches ni nyina o na saying 540 minutes obo mu 35 it's a component aka 500 bebre gwachiro 505 na kodano ana ozisia Madrid for si omutie yo no beka so no decide so be kodia o mamanako so all come about now dia ebo omu ni problem enti o pa not less than 100 million euros omoje and so Chelsea Madrid ke ko mo yadai mo mamna mo to and so na Luis Enrique PSG coach when I say ha Dembele ho akoda ni bobo na o se akoda no wanya ne best season wasasi so na ono akoda no o se o deserve bia o se this season o mo de ma no na ye ko na ye Luis Enrique esema o kan erefa Ousmane Dembele ho.
Well, it's the first match in this World Cup that we can use Ousmane as a normal player because he was injured with the national team and we try to take care of him, and I think he's the best player this season by a long term, and I think he deserves to win everything because he gave everything to the team and the team is going to achieve trophies that which is the most.
Okay, we and sama Enrique can say Dembele o deserve bibia award bia so o man be o deserve and so na Alan Shearer o legend wo English Premier League na Newcastle for striker no legend kese pa na wakasa kakra dia for Chelsea ni pia game no na tieye o say Sunday game no cracking game na two best teams our tournament no na go final no na ono wa mini waka na Auguste na also there's no doubt say PSG a favorite na me na Chelsea there also omo improve omo team no massively eti na me na Sunday game no mo yes ana ya be say Chelsea 6 ana Chelsea budget 4 Madrid pa budget 4 there no budget 12 no o ti ha munja de ne ka football bi bia ba to me asi eti munja de na munso mo ya no enso ho ma ya de enwasam no ade ema mo enso ho ya ko pa ya bi kai ba ya Luis Diaz fanato so na me ko David Luis Diaz for ba picture ba ko bra na me tam ni se bi na de me tire say aya bara for si o me 52 million euros e koma aya Liverpool for no ma hwese Liverpool for no magina Liverpool for no mo ta o twa mo fa ko mo tu mo na Barcelona for no so nya break akwada mo me nyo sure say Barcelona so munya Bradford omo beba in for Luis Diaz and so our man dia wasam na tutu ama we Madrid the new player Franco Mastantuono fanatoso na me nko unim say akoda no obo Edma Boca Juniors onda club world cup no omo sign bibewe no say obo edamo no wi ama aba Real Madrid na owi ya no ana ne ya abrante no o ma wewe bibia mo stand to no on da so no na ye mete che se obrama no for no be present no abo ni birthday date e ja o woni ni birthday no odi na woda no aha ana odi o mo be present no enso e ho na eye tada no eye 14th August na we nya 18 years enso e ho no ma ye de enwa sam no enso e de mama mi jedi eye Jordan Henderson obo Liverpool owuwura mu a ni mu akwa Ayas aba twanwa samba onu nie je metin se on Brentford for na wie bibia free agent wo be sign 2 years enso e de mama ye de enwa sam no enso e de mama me ko German football nim na German football league no DFL o mo dia ba betu ga ye ko ye ni fa dia kanamra be ne sesane mame na ye ni komo na German for na say almost secure 1.12 billion euros per season. According to domestic TV rights in the agreement to make out 2025-2025 season and the campaign 2028-2029 in the clubs on TV rights and make out more and so on. Namami Paparinga wouldn't say club or company chassis. Anna, your club ever say. It make sense and a good idea say o play some boy no mo go holidays na mo so mo bo club cup o see idea ni here ana Semenga say ono one eye club anya adwene na enye obi aso na o ka se ma o so one ne ya adwene ono ne nya adwene say o be ka say asem na clubs ni bo boy no wo de bi say o say e ba ne say je san bo bi ma wo 100% teams and clubs and be ja tun so mo ba bo yanko na ntie papa ni dia ni Semenga former Arsenal coach in Sema on the Tuya.
Ian is entitled in our work to have an opinion. I don't share the opinion of Jurgen Klopp at all, because I feel that a World Cup or a real Cup or Cup is needed. And if we make an inquiry today with all the clubs who were here at this competition, I'm basically sure that there are 100% of answers of people who want to do this again. So that's basically the best answer. Is not my opinion, it's not your club opinion, it's what the clubs participated in this competition, think of a competition, and I'm convinced that will be very positive.
Okay, wait, and some Paparinga, and so I can, and for Naliano Paradise, no, AS Roma. Now, I go pay more Boca Juniors, so maybe we be an Emra, not stadium Aboma, and we introduce our bank and their chef and so 3 days in room, Ebanon and the wife, and then the money, and so Ebanon. Young How Boca Juniors for AC introduce you a Yando Paradise, or Argentina, or Conechi, and so will crew, or Kobo, young red video in Kakra. Argentina, Boca Juniors, Omu Stadium, Omu Lightning, and supporters, and so we go back, and so our mammy, I have Marco Asensio, Fanamami, now your coach Suguru Sagara Suguru Stadium, a year Fanabachi, Mabuso Mono Club or study team, because last season, and no Koya and Fama. Now, I'll say, Omane, Asensio, every Pia. Na abrante no ede ni bachirem enso ehọ na enchebia abrante no nyame atoma by the close of another wura china na abrante na kosane no contract na announcement no enso etwa so ede won asem no ede ma me na ma yakọ Benfica ma me João Felix mini no koma na bawe no no the talent in your neighbor will be who they have. We're Chile Papa from Benfica and Loco Madrid, no Barcelona, no Chelsea, to say, oh, I'm told. Now, Chelsea for no, and I have Benfica for the Command Benfica for the say, Omukurumusam, 25 million euros. Now, Omuya, 65% I have right no, no, that's not Chelsea for no, say, Omu returning, and yet 35% sell no, on close, and Joe player no, the contract in Sa. And so Anna Ekwa, Yadi and once more, Ete Amona, you football, now you call one of tennis. Now you know, come on, one play on a castle. Now, under semi final on Eba, so women's and a man, dear, now, and yes, a good cry. Now, William said, he got Swatek, actually, our boyfriend of Belinda Bensis, Ebono, and yet 6260. I was semi final, and Obiano, or said tennis, Ekipuno, surprise, or Casabe. And some Iga Swate, Switzerland, and so Entuja.
Honestly, I never even dreamt that it's going to be possible for me to play in the final. So I'm just, super excited and just proud of myself. And I don't know, tennis keeps surprising me. I thought I lived through everything, even though I'm young. I thought I experienced everything on the court, but yeah, I didn't experience playing well on grass, so that's the first time, and I'm super excited and just enjoying it.
Okay, wait, and some Iga Swatek, and so I took them to a final. Now, one on the Kobo, now I have a boy, Amanda and Sibova. Now, also Andra, Ochi, Arena Sabalenka, Elbono, 6'4", 4'6", 6'4". And so also and so I could pay more final into Amanda and Iga Swatek. I mean, Saturday, China, and a final never so now. Amanda, and so after a year tournament, tennis, final or secret final, also Ekasa, Yinti, some also and two guys.
This doesn't feel real right now, honestly. Arena's such a tough competitor, and I was absolutely dying out there. And yeah, I don't know how I pulled it out. I mean, she's such an incredible competitor, and she's an inspiration to me, and I'm sure so many other people. And yeah, I mean.
And some also of course to say I'm kind of watching now. Ladies single final. Also Amanda and Iga Swatek, and so a boy you didn't want some and so every to the one and every and so our young member from and there member airport now a bueno a Taylor Fritz and so any Carlos Alcaraz and a dozen one Carlos Alcaraz and Taylor Fritz and so airport and son of yes world number one Janet Sinner and Nova Djokovic and so the woman and secretary apprentice and I also our one blade in Nima Jadi and once more at the 54 minutes past 10 in Costa TV goes live on Facebook, YouTube, Costa TV, Digital TV, channel 514, Ubenya live, and so Ashe, and so Honoma, Jadi and once more. And so Eddie Etuga, and when it's every day will be a meeting, and one it is and so Anna Echo, and so Honoma, Yadi, and once again, Eddie Abanamic, I ready, you begin come out, and so I will show so Central Sports Arena, and on Tisa, and at your Facebook, your messages in Papa, and I need to know a message on the merchant for you at the other Masapa. It's Mumra from message Sunday, why Anna Ashe, Chelsea, and PAG for prediction, Fabra. Again, any local game, Fabra, now you can kind of come up and so and far and Namika Baba.
If you are for, you will be able to create experience. Okay.
Sanity, when we say a message in Ghana, David Edu, a year, Peru Africana, Glass Farm Ventures, Babu, office war. Ono ewo hono nsanso ana a branch friend or ni or a phone repair ewo abrala kasi all performance phone is wo ana o hwem enti ono so message about mechanic and so ewo hana bi gaso akoye and so ewo ti sanity mechanic kama ti uwe o di nkomo kakra na mde so e gabati ye hwem kakra na yakoye
Medasi yenchia ahwefunya na wana wohwe no social media handles ni ya. Yebazin kana hwe oye yenia Kudus. Me transfer to Tottenham Hotspur. A good addition to the Tottenham club. Now, Mohamed Kudus so we make a very good decision. Reason the Otsino phone. Today, by this man, Naka Saka there or pay Tottenham. We will there one up obey playing time. And to build up on the career and another ball no Tottenham the best club. CCR was there or join. In the 5 years now, I signed so above one at least 2-3 seasons. Maybe we may another offer from this big club CV. Yes, it's now Manchester United. Manchester here. In this area, every coach now as a player, so coach now show interest to woman. Opportunity. Or more opportunity. This opportunity never our player. How was it a deliver? So you coach show interest. No one. Chelsea now one man me agree. Chelsea when you work with about 16 to 17 attackers. You want to Maduke. I don't say about Canada. Mudrik. You are talking after the 2 call. Still at the 15. No, you know me and register. Oh, or register 8 attackers. This is the attackers in the game. To compete with 8 attackers on your easy. The best decision Kudus will take on those around him will take a very good decision. As I said, in the Tottenham now, and the coach also actually the game plan, new project. No, I said definitely Maresca since I started Russia Kudus, and I'm sure that also representing a friend a project. Now, maybe as I tell Kudus, into Kudus, sure to know that no. So, up Tottenham now, above one much better than he going to find Chelsea. Since okay, fine. Assuming there, Kudus war Chelsea. Since Pedro Neto, Joao Pedro, friend, one England boy attacking Palmer and Lax. One of Kudus CC currently or fight for position. So because Chelsea team now so one leg just ended season here. Into the formidable squad that is there. In CC man about fighter we been here starting lineup a minute before our fight we been here starting lineup. It is a coach back at when you come to my team you walk straight into the team. Why not also? Nti Kudus move now why very good yeah so one pair challenge man so okay ya Ghana akoye wan koye ya our thought ya for the West Area dey won koye easy now oba national team is on board because Kudus last season a whole season he also 4 goals which is very bad. Nti say we move out to Tottenham I think we are very good addition away from that also I hear story about Casado. Why Barcelona not for that? What's how this come about 50 million euros. Barcelona board were very careful. More why Hansi Flick in your issues because coach now catch on there more one turn player. They should leave one job. The team is gonna say if that materials are available, or also what to do. What's our job? Surely, or the or prove it that yes. The materials disposed are very instrumental in the team. Or boy, I think PSG we want to be champions League, right? And we teams who are qualified for Champions League this coming season will make a very good impact. It is Hansi Flick worker for Rashford. Or a very good addition. And Hansi Flick one coach here or two board the player. About the player because Rashford all starting Manchester or Manchester team. After we ruling, not looking at Manchester team, but in once see all of a sudden. So it's Rudo, so I have so environment in a chill on one, a chill rush for the year. It is as a flex worker for I think 45 million. Then I am back 45 million is away, and actually agents are definitely above way. You need to accept it. Okay, you understand? So it depends. No sort of assessors over before. Whatever. Musa Kijana, sorry, Musa Kijana, I'm beginning to do what I answer. now a club national can based on a club World Cup. Now the initial coaches in here complaining, most of the coaches complaining the time many wrong. As I said, almost was start the season now. Players but people were injury now. But this same tournament, one more team in this guy. This year Chelsea were almost 80 something.
82 million pounds.
82 million pounds. $110. So Barcelona you go in 82 years. Famous. As I said, you one person will be old time you have to check and you know is go for him or your farmer. Go for him. Go for him. Though Portugal is a well-known European country, but Portugal president, you know, no Ronaldo, you know what? Nkofu bring Ronaldo in Portugal president. If you want to get TV in your radio, no. But what Cristiano, open your own young oh, Martin Cristiano. Maybe me I'm going to phone watch Cristiano Ronaldo knowing. Now president of Catana of the week. No, say no, I you so. Was it in the idea? You say, I am born with some as I said. In the way team of the weekend, often to do man. With you, come on, who do come on, but to show. Who didn't come on, but to show. I know that, yeah, the fashion Sunday game, you will be Sunday game the next. Oh, they start to walk, there's a Sunday game. As I was Sunday game, what I can promise, there's a Chelsea share. Like, yeah, oh, he's a over the reverend of Waffle. No more, say, you see your being, and our nation's prophet. We know, yeah. We will be the nation's prophet. I offended Angelo Bini. Okay, fine. And I actually write back in a Hakimi, excellent. Yaba, center now, Marquinhos, oye, Chaloba, Nyabad, oye, Penny, or you're good. Left back was Wasamu. Cucurella. Oh, that be. You know, Mendes, Nino, Cucurella, no one else, that be. Yeah, you want to yard it. Ever there, actually, Chelsea one match now, way. Now, PSG one match now. Respectively, ratings in the end was wrestling, Vitinha. In Sadamaza, and Yabafana, or Yabad, but in Vitinha. In the end, Chelsea coach, Maresca. So far, all game with the 4-2-3-1. No, so called the game. Now 4-2-3-1 we go 4 defenders. Our 2 DM original defenders no name. And sana our 3 were 2 and about 1 attacker solely winning. Meaning our Joao Pedro winning. Now our Pedro Neto. Yeah, our Pedro Neto. No the guy Palmer. Ejina 150. Okay. Sisi ya madu wafana madu case ona no okay. What Nicolas Jackson and all in the game now. Actually the Nicolas in transitional. Was that them full back see na central defense in ya what ba halfway line. Ya halfway line that's the center line. Was o Ejina. Okay. No push down Nkofu e basi na wonjin wen. So push Nkofu e basi na definitely we push Pedro Neto. No why. No, we went in a half full and no ball. Or your PSG team half. That's the 4-2-3-1. In this was ever high line, halfway line. The able to man high line should be ready. Yes, obviously because of 4-3-3 now. Because of 4-3-3 now, PSG low. And 4-3-3 was flexibility. Vitinha no offensive, if you know, Baba can't center backs no wire 5 no start one border. This all back, no back camera was start to build up like Enzo, and I said, or Canada or one other original. About what can't final. Also, opposite one more than Bolivia. Fabio Ruiz Vitinha was said. Chelsea, when you will break a Chelsea in for us, and double 4-2-3-1. So, as all required communication, was often OCC in football, organization, concentration, communication. Okay. OCC, organization, concentration, communication. The moment we will lose to focus because PSG team near team here or one may frustrate. obenya abote wo expert spaces in space bia tire man the American wotum gina orthodox which are orthodox in ball but wotum we gina orthodox nti we gina orthodox a waso we gina orthodox a e we gina orthodox dem space na ifi na ben so we consider one tel goal we ya abote wo ben wo ma refuni ya poi quick tel goal na
ya also we the defense you know so mo
defender the best line there was about halfway line. What about halfway line? It means 1 year we be na PSG for one zone 14 or one area.
Omu just say omu block the channel of omu team no be pass in the field but so omu block so.
Hey, we never can half spaces in PSG. PSG will use half spaces in was one. And your friend Luis Enrique, one coach bia, Oma Vitinha or drop Kaka central defenders.
Okay.
No, I'm a Dembele, Efi, baby more or one way be able to have Vitinha nani. In this I cannot that I mistake a follow the pair. The space now Dembele if you were there. Ejato, into a one out. Say Dembele ba na say offer than defender na can Dembele no jana Dembele so be receive ball on turn a quick transition work into as of watching if na man to man marking and they have to play above their strength and so to work above their strength to at least so even we go lose margin here but I don't see Chelsea losing as I ever began to I don't see Chelsea losing the game. Yes, reason being it, Maresca, your coach, be on losing final, and the coach be on losing final. Nation of final, that's football. No, there's everything in Chelsea. That in your incident, Austin favor Chelsea. As I said, and Enrique see your coach be able to losing final. As I said, and Enrique see your coach be able to losing final. As I said, it's a game of the very thing, or good for good. If you overtake the chance and over-utilize the chances, it's not better. A slim win for Chelsea. Maybe 1-0 and 2-1 for Chelsea.
Okay. Who combine level?
More combined level. More combined level. A PSG Donnarumma in post. A PSG 1 back 4. If you have any back team, Pedro Neto as 9-9. Joao Pedro as 9-9. I'm more correct now. I'm more attacker.
Okay.
91 against 10.
Okay. When is the Ghanaian player where transfer window no? You are talking about them. Kudus for a picture to someone on a sham or Nena Wapas. I don't know what about Ghanaian players are 55 million pounds in a picture of Fato Sumamina, you baby a party and my place in Muninago. Now, in Munkomo. And so now, before Banana, David Snow D. Edu, or say more fire, bro. And so, honor say, record number, I say, Chelsea Lusuma French class, no. Or the message I said that we're going to play on Sunday by PH as they know. Yo, Yate. Yes, will be Anton Sanchez. Miss Bow and a shape on the Mancana, ye and once another. And a man ball, Women's African Cup of Nations, you know, a man over 4 o'clock, anybody, Anna Airport, and also Fato Suana, you know, 4 o'clock, not came now, and so Asham, Tiamo, and so another team, you didn't want some. Now, head coach, I came last, or say, go on, Umukum, Ekipana, Malifono, and so it could have good team. Yet, it's a marking last, and 2 down. Last year, we are now almost Jama idea, Sana, you twice more. It is a Kim last and so shares and trophy or say game no come no a difficult game and so Edema I can name money for
period of the time we were the better team. We had more shots. We had more shots on goals. We had more corners. We hit the bar twice, and they had one VAR penalty and scored. So, but overall, I think we did pretty well. So we just need to leave that game for now and move on and make sure that we do an even better game against Mali.
Nancy Amo and so say Ghana for more expecting win and for more and everybody.
In the second all important game against
Ghanaians should expect to win from the Queens because we are going all out and all in to get the 3 points so that we can qualify from the group stage.
Okay, we and some Nancy Amo Ekamano or also Editu Ghana GFA President Kate ES Okreku and Fakasa. Or say a man a almost second half display in South Africa more confidence is and the game of more common the confidence echo game against Mali. It is some Jeffrey Bosch Kate ES Okreku Edituya.
That the Queens have had a good preparatory period, starting from the games against Morocco. In fact, it was a game that could have been won by any of the two sides, the Queens inclusive. It's unfortunate those 2 balls found themselves against the woodwork instead of going into the nets. And the performance in the second half gives me a lot of confidence going into the second game of the tournament. Mali will always come very much focused.
Okay, we and some GFA boss Kate ES Okreku and to the we not say or believe a quality no and so it show against Mali now or GDA our man is a game no a very open game. You think some Kate ES Okreku
like I said, I think we have quality. I think that the pre-tournament fever would have been wiped out as a result of the first game. Obviously, there were some nerves going to your first game. A lot of these players are quite new to the WAFCON. You see players like Comfort and Co. or having their first stint at this level of the game. So once the first game is out of the way, I think that psychologically they'll be okay for the second game. And they knew they were playing against the defending champions. So obviously, again, they have to give them some amount of respect. But against Mali, who also lost, again, and that's where our quality will show. I'm happy that that the girls are very focused, and we're all looking forward to this all-important game.
You cannot take.
Okay, we and some Kate ES Okreku to Ghana Jonathan Soa about the media mapping and our PMO Africa baby after all signing Edema Media Mabro Corner na club president Moses Amapaka and so Etia Segino Emanuel Mabia Ekoyi Edman and Papa de Utamibia Bobo Pani Papa Yamisha Mahadi. You think some Jonathan Soa a kind edifa a club president a Moses Amapaka.
When almost Cassam and Shadan and your mammy, so I felt okay. Say Sadia, I mean, I returned back to Dambot, second division. I remember, but maybe if you know things in 2 days now, Moses for me. Say I person who will move in pick so. The cohort and then you go dim come on.
Now we shall baby da.
Moses she me ni po. But as after my sign contract in year, I think that 3 days time na me nemu ko buye. And any ade baby amikasi, me dan asi wo eno ho say what me fa ni say ni ba. Anana kwala won yi wan jami mu. Wa hwe me guide me atumi fu a abedu sa pempe so yi. Ana baby amikasi me dia sidama no because say obi sound na ombo match bi amane ne within 2 days no ma ko bua no no asa tam skasa ko siesie no na ma dia you need to know say
papa wasem
who are the Kessepa Yaman Sanipano. So I think that one.
Okay, well, I am Jonathan so what to down, we not say, or call her to focus training ground, Omupamo. No, or no, or just if I call Omama or Masakin, if you any few, now Sassamo, on to me, any flinting, or no good feet die, but still, Obo had to focus and Sarah die.
I don't know then.
O se mi call na Omupamo.
There you have been on power.
We call it, we call Mediama.
A year 2022. Oko has. Now, that's the Oko say Okobo.
Okobo justify.
I was so on Yadi.
I want you, baby, I want you one of them buy.
I was there.
I never got them so many can buy.
I was coffee.
I'm so coffee.
Now, one can't tell so many boys, I want
oh, baby. Uncle Sabebre. I need you, and in the idea I am Yapa.
Oh, football career.
A football career.
Hearts, Pamo.
Hearts up. I'm Yapa. But I don't know and do you don't feel it to that. But the Sabba or the Sabba, no more prove your monse, Pamuna Pamumino. A Yapaja Mapamma, Makoshan Yama Piaba. About I won't Pamela, some the Choma cash on baby. I don't know a wood before. But with Jacka, it is all bet ya with ya, open person the bought 2 minutes. Abuba Takwa share and Mishu.
Person the secret. We should have 10 times, or show 10 times.
The Benjamin qualified confederation in the senior quarter for qualified by Nakamina has no show more.
Okay, we and some Jonathan Soa. And so I can not see or not support Barcelona. Now, and there's also a shame Barcelona Jesse. And so about moon, never going to see again. Or we bought or so starting Italy at the back. You see Jonathan Soa.
Yeah. We support Barcelona. I am a dream passer one day, met my sham just say a geno mama.
It's a dream about Barcelona.
Yeah.
A dream about Bam.
But maybe I me person me share say free maybe AC Milan and say Juventus.
AC Milan or Juventus before you finally end at Barcelona. And I'm who we are Singular Black Stars.
Yeah, Singular Black Stars.
Second one in Libya.
Yeah.
All right. And third picture
Libya.
Yes. Then Libya pictures. Last one no.
Any Singular blue and the Masuma. Yeah. Mintambo ba. Sa moment no na game the more D to extend like na you know
omo hia obi mana be magic.
Enti de mi come ana me no bi ball 1-2 enti mi dash here no ana pia 2 ni mam ana mi born a ball pull no and na line is on the question say
okay. I said, oh, yeah. You know, that's what I don't know. Okay. The only thing I said, Barcelona move Tapa. And I said, Abel, when you speak, she's speaking, yeah. Now, Musier. So, what you have 21 years. Oh, to young clever. Now, young call a former Blasters player, like Kinsey, or say, Pate, call a year Tottenham. A good step at the man. No woman on go present or big club, British Chelsea. Now, one on or Cordia or move to your to officiate a lie and to
from West Ham to Tottenham.
Yeah, for me, I think it's one step in his career.
All right.
West Ham and then Tottenham.
Yes.
Tottenham is among the top 4. West Ham always struggle in
playing European football as well.
Playing European football as well. So for me, I think it's a one step in his career.
Yeah.
I was expecting him to go to bigger clubs,
like Chelsea.
In order to
there's a notion that he doesn't want to leave London. All right.
To win trophies.
Sure.
You know, Tottenham is a very big club, one of the big clubs in the Premier League. But I would prefer seeing him in one of the clubs that will be competing for bigger trophies. I think that's what is going to make him big. If you look at Michael Essien's career, you would love to see him, but I think it's a one step in his career.
Yes.
Okay, we are some like you say, and so young call a gamma check or more walk up with now, one way that I much did it in Mamina. No, 17th August, one day, you know, now, it's now a display a trophy, no, now, all Cassana Udum trophy, no, and so is so. A life out of life, and how to cook, and I will get in a Mr. Samuel Numadu a time.
Now, Numo, leaders of House of Oak and Heart of Lions. Today is another special day. We all know why we are here, but I need to still tell you why. Because the King himself, His Royal Majesty, me, Dr. Ayibote himself, says this every year Homowo will not come without him making sure Ghanaians will climax it.
Okay, wait, and some organizer, Edma, a year Homowo charity cup, I will also Gamanche. And so I don't know, Samuel Eduardo and a day and Sansimui. And to the Heart of Lions administrator, the fellow a yes Stephen Booking or say, give me a way, Massa, or move Fana Mugoroso, or move Kumkura, and from my heart of food. Yet is a one to be
last game, this tournament or this cup competition played a very big role in our preparation towards last season, which enabled us in that this time around, we are not taking it lightly at all. We've invited the boys already. I don't know whether our breakfast are done that. We have invited our boys. They started pre-season just for this match.
So, Heart of Lions, Omo administrator Stephen Booking, and to the Heart of Folk now, Omo Piaro, Pami of Hayapi, and Swakasa, and a Fagima, ever so say, Omo Ebe ready for the Cup match. Yenti and Sama. Kwame Opayado, how to put PR Erituja.
Whatever that comes along with peace, unity, and ensuring that our history is well protected, as a whole will always stand for it. It is our belief that once we associate ourselves with these responsibilities, then we will help together educate ourselves and ensure that our culture will get as far as the younger generation so that Accra support goes.
Fanatic they took against Heart of Lion. It's a fundamental disease.
Okay, wait, and as a man, Joseph Langabe, and so Kanye, and so Ona, Yako, a started for to Muka, $800,000, a broadcast, a Yetula, Mukoyano, so be Yana Pinano. Eti afei ana obaba be tieska na omu piaro sometimes piaro el kungo enso be chechem reasons why scan na edile payment no edile afei ana mo ediaba yeti sama el kundo editubia.
Yeah,
100% correct.
100%. But where from the delay in settling the FA?
Okay, so delays because you are investing into broadcast fees. You are paying excess over 1 million every season for the broadcast fees. Now you had a 5-year deal where you are paying more than $5 million for this, and I've been able to pay more than $5 million in this period for this contract. That means that I am committed to making sure that the football lifts up its level and then also invest into the game. Now, aside the broadcast fees, StarTimes is also investing into the production of the game, which is also another cost on its own. Now, you're producing the games and putting on decoder for people to subscribe and watch. Now, if you look at the investment that is going into broadcast fees for the FA, production fees to produce the game,
we will know the way forward.
Okay, we Kakra and also a course on the number of game match between Hamzata. Atebu ananyamano Atebu Hamzata Atebu 11 ene papata 11 namya Monday na birthday ewo town hall na chiwo na game no enso ebekoso namya 3:30 p.m. Monday birthday match. Yes, Hamzata the birthday Monday 3:30 ti obi amana menam chese Abdulrazak Golden Boy Mumpa Sanso ana key players no ubenya your former players yi and if you show your current players omoba ti godi boy wo ubenya
onyo wodi na wa mo scan kasina about 98%. I can guess a percent. Na say any extend contract. I na negotiate na aka wa go fa biama. Nti yamo won ye boy na one sister station bi wo offended. I think say Global Sabaza. The one that go yi ball na afane. Yes. GTV crab won to me ball. Na once one ball ya boy was Facebook live. I hwa basa. Ndi say obi no so oyi wo ball no ma na say sikasam na anko ya oza ye netina form na wohwe na wakana wakani na wohunu ye ya wa that was what we na say skill obey na class no more na scan wa channel because your class ye hu impuntu biawo aside the skill obey ya at that time no ko for that time ya was sign contract na a dollar ye be 17 cedis so this dollar ye be 17 cedis so $1 million $1 million more 170 billion. Wow, that's $1 million. Okay. That's 17 cities. What? That's 17 cities. 170 billion. Into that 170 billion, the near Kunkuri and 5. Na class or chess can my class in it. Na class you know if you do more 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. What's it? Won't you come? And the E goes down there, heart of oak. No, Kumasi. As the E goes down there, heart of oak. No, Kumasi. Asante Kotoko. Only. Nti oza wani pay for not na ho na wo hu akona bo for that in hihye ne bokwe and don't start time so on your bad but Collins you be say on the Ghanaians are here na we use start time yes say ye ni deni an obobbo madam bring back the love no waba but start time no you be an use start time nti wo hwe no consider me nyam ni because me tell us was work for DSTV fa but I'm support sports bia no go find we use DSTV am amazing for we muntu e asasa
DTV3 for baby
yeah, but no for mine. Some kind of work. Yeah, but here because in Britain or Simensia, my umbrellas in the
okay. I know I am making a what's in the confine. Ah, we mania could go what you will be coming into anything. Nah, Facebook on the white papa. Okay, yate, nah.
What is the miss of us? Your friend, Yan, a bushel blouse, and your
Mube Sani Bina, will post his update announcement, big announcement to be back.
Now, your coach.
What your kind of sign to play with the ever told my immediately, no Monday, ever come now, big sign and also said, you need a brand for free, Europe never. Now, can George will say, keep up the good work to a monitor drew back every war a year and Takwa. I don't see. No, Massina, drew by the when Primo Quire to the catch up, say, Macuno will jam. The Senate here, birthday wish no, say that here, a year, Kodawaki. Abwadi high grade or municipal office our town na ene na woda eti kodo nyame enhira na omo nyo bulo omo sika bebre oma de odu sebuso bia enhira na mbom emasem na atiso kodo ti so kodo ti so doso de bia kodo mia na oba wuru sa eti kodo ti so it's white so into into kodo nyame hira na mum si form me na mekene Francis the crown wo ye denya so momo nusu na ewie ene Friday nko nko lunch why beno so a ye form ye nya se bia form wa wotumi a mekene into what I say nko lunch na kenkwen twan ye